Ciclopirox cream is used to treat fungal skin infections such as athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. It can also be used to treat a skin condition called pityriasis, tinea versicolor, which causes a lightening or darkening of the skin on the neck, chest, arms, or legs. Ciclopirox is an antifungal medication that works by stopping the growth of fungus. It is typically applied once or twice daily, and it is best to use it at the same time every day for the best results. Applying Ciclopirox cream is simple. First, make sure the area is clean and dry. Then, gently rub a thin layer of the cream onto the affected area, following your doctor's instructions. You'll usually do this twice a day. Remember to wash your hands after applying the cream, unless you're treating your hands. Avoid getting the cream in your eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. If you accidentally do, rinse the area with plenty of water. For the best results, use the cream regularly at the same times each day. Keep using it for the full time prescribed, even if your symptoms improve before then. This will help prevent the infection from coming back. You should start to see improvement within the first week of using the cream. If your condition doesn't improve after 2 weeks for pityriasis or 4 weeks for other fungal skin infections, be sure to talk to your doctor. If you experience burning, redness, or itching at the application site, let your doctor or pharmacist know. This medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not have serious side effects. However, if you experience blistering, swelling, or oozing at the application site, contact your doctor immediately. While severe allergic reactions to this drug are rare, seek medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using Ciclopirox cream, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you are allergic to any inactive ingredients in the product. It's also important to share your medical history with your healthcare provider before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, be sure to inform your doctors or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, Ciclopirox cream should only be used when clearly needed. Make sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using this medication. It is not known if this medication passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before using Ciclopirox cream if you are breastfeeding. When using Ciclopirox cream, it is important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that may occur. This could affect how well your medications work, or increase your risk of experiencing serious side effects. Remember to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as any herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without first consulting with your doctor. If Ciclopirox cream is accidentally swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It is important to keep this medication out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. It's important not to share this medication with others. This medication is specifically prescribed for your current condition, so it's not recommended to use it for any other skin infection unless directed by your doctor. In that case, a different medication may be needed. If you're using this medication to treat athlete's foot, be sure to wear well-fitting, ventilated shoes and change your socks at least once daily. This will help to improve the effectiveness of the medication. If you forget to use the cream at the scheduled time, use it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, then skip the missed one and continue with your regular schedule. Don't apply extra cream to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to store Ciclopirox cream at room temperature and keep it away from children and pets. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When it is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.